Hello everyone. We're just going to do a brief review of what we did last week. Um, let's start off with the A natural minor. Okay, the A natural minor, the numbers were 578, 578, 57, and it should sound this way. Again, 578, 578, 57. Okay. Um, and we also did the little song that goes along with that. So it should sound this way. Twice. Backwards. Again. Halfway. Arpeggio. Okay, so it's 5, 7, 8. It's the whole scale twice, so it's 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, and then it's backwards. 7, 5, 8, 7, 5, 8, 7, 5, and again 7, 5, 8, 7, 5, 8, 7, 5, and then you're going to do a halfway scale, so you're going to go 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 7, 5, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 7, 5, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 8, 7, 5, and then you do an arpeggio. Okay, so that's that. A natural minor or A minor arpeggio would be 5, 8, 7, 7, 7, 8, 5. And you do that twice. And to end it, you can go to your 3rd fret of your 6th string and then start over again. Right? So that's the little arpeggio song that we came up with when we were working on the chord progression for A minor, and then the D minor, and then the E minor, right, and then the A minor again. And we could do that with 4 beats per measure on each of the chords. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, D minor, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, A minor, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, D minor, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, E minor, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's actually, so it's two 4-beat measures per chord until you get to the last chord, which is the A minor, and you do 2 measures to end it and then 2 measures to start it again. Okay, so that was the little progression, and then that melody with that one, that's going to overlap it. So we're going to layer that melody to the chord progression. Okay, we also did the A harmonic minor, and that went 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 6, 7, and we went just like that. So 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 6, 7. Okay, again 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 6, 7. Right? So that's the harmonic minor. The second octave would be on the handouts that you guys have. One of the first handouts that you guys received from me. So, but in case you want to do that, it would be 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 6, 7, 9, 10, 7, 9, 10, 9, 10. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 6, 7, 9, 10, 7, 9, 10, 9, 10. Alright, so that whole 6, 7, 9, 10 is going to go on your 4th string. Alright, 6th fret, 7th fret, 9th fret, 10th fret, boom, 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 boom. Okay, alright, so that's both octaves of the A harmonic minor. What else was there? We played around with the pentatonic. That's self-explanatory. And we played around with the first melody that we did, where it was we didn't quite get into it, but you guys know that melody. Try to have that ready for Tuesday, because we're gonna do something special with some of the songs. We'll play around with it. We also did a little bit of Autumn Leaves. I'm gonna do it here. That one, right? We did that one. We didn't quite do the chords, but the chords, we did simple chords for that. There's more complex chords that go with that song. Just work on what you have, and it will do. We'll play around with that too. The other song that I think you guys will definitely be able to do was the Honestly Divine song, and that. You guys can definitely do that one. We're going to do all that stuff very slowly. We should have a little bit of fun on Tuesday. So you guys practice, do the best that you can, and it'll be a good day. I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Thanks a lot for everything that you've done. I appreciate everything, and I will keep you posted on continuing on through the summer. I think that would be a pretty cool concept. Yeah, we'll just continue it just the way we've been doing it, except a good portion of it will be online. All right, so I thank you guys very much, and I look forward to seeing you guys on Tuesday for the last class of this session. Okay, thank you. God bless.